How to download YouTube playlists on your laptop or PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can download YouTube playlist on your laptop or PC. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is simply search for YouTube on your PC. After you do that, you can then search for any playlist that you want to download. So in today's case, I'm just going to search for how to draw. And after you here, you can then find the playlist that you want. Tap on this view full playlist option. And you should be able to see all the videos in the playlist. Now, what you have to do is on this section, you find three dots right here. Tap on the three dots, then tap on the download button. Then the download should begin for all the videos that are downloadable in your YouTube playlist. Let the download be complete and you're good to go. And it's that simple. And that's it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.